Hello, everyone. My name is Jeremiah Data, part of the sales engineering team here at Forcepoint. And today I'm going to talk about scanning data at rest in Box by leveraging your existing DLP policies if you have a Forcepoint solution in place. So let me share this screen. So I would like to give you guys a high-level overview of what this looks like so you can visualize how this works. So you have, this is your a typical scenario. You have your HQ, okay, and then, all your HQ users connects to the internet, and then you have a Box account in the cloud, okay? And then we have your users here with their laptops. There you go. And then they are in HQ, or they also are outside of your organization. Okay. And they connect from their home. They have their, personal network, their router. So their computer goes there and the router goes out to the internet and they access Box. So now, this poses a challenge because anyone can just, save sensitive information in your Box account. So the way here at Forcepoint, the way how we address this issue, data at rest that have sensitive information in Box, is this way. So we have an FSM, we call it Forcepoint Security Manager. This has the DLP policies. And this also have the incidents, and this is where you perform, set up notifications. Like if you run your discovery reports, you can share that report to your teams. What else? Notifications, policies, incident notifications, and I forgot what else I can add. Okay, let's stick with those for now to keep things simple. So and in the cloud, we have a component called DLP Cloud Apps. Okay, this is, oh, actually, you know what? Yeah, just keep it like that. So this is a cloud instance that will access that will access your Box. This DLP CA will get policies from, oh, there you go. I remember it now. Cloud Discovery Scans. So this is where you set up. So this is where the internal analyst will log in, or the security admin to log in to create policies, look at the scanned results, notifications, and also reporting. And this is where also that person will set up the scans. Okay, it's really easy. One place for your security analyst to log in and do all of this tasks. Makes it easy. So that's pretty much it. That's how we will address scanning data at rest, sensitive data. It's pretty simple enough, right? So you have a manager, and then you have a cloud instance that will access your box instance in the cloud. The Forcepoint Security Manager will just forward that job to the DLP CA or DLP Cloud Apps component of the solution, and it will perform the scan there, and you do all your jobs on the FSM. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to switch on the Forcepoint Security Manager. So here is this Forcepoint Security Manager. Let me go to the dashboard. So as soon as your security analyst logs in, they will be greeted with a dashboard. The dashboard has summary of all your DLP aspect activity within your organization. But in this particular video, we're going to focus on the discovery piece, cloud discovery piece. Number one, we need to integrate our DLP Cloud Apps instance in the cloud. So in order for us to do that, we just go to resources, general, and then services, okay? And then after this loads, we're gonna click on the DLP Cloud Service. All we have to do, I mean, I already have everything connected here, but in the beginning, I mean, you know, all we have to do is activate DLP Cloud App Service, and then we're just going to provide the API keys, and that's it. As soon as you hit connect, and then you will have this feature activated. Okay, I just have other stuff connected to the DLP because we have integration with our CASB as well, and DLP Cloud Proxy also. But we're going to be focusing on the cloud discovery piece. So as soon as the DLP CA cloud instance connects, all done. Next is we will going to just create the box asset on the DLP CA side, which is this, and we in here we configured a reverse proxy vanity URL from this is the Cloud Apps instance, DLP Cloud Apps instance, and then it goes to the box account. And of course, we will need an admin access or admin user account that we need to use to authenticate those two. After that is set up, we're done. I mean, this is, you only have to set up this one time, and then that's it. As soon as this asset is created, and you should be good to go. You can forget about that, and you can control everything here. So now we connected our DLP Cloud Apps instance to our manager. Now it's time to set up a scan. To set up a scan is really easy. So you just go to policy first. We need to configure our policies. So in here, as you can see, I created one discovery policy looking for social security number, okay? So you can do two ways to create that. You can do custom policy or predefined. I just did custom. Click this. I have the name, the condition. I'm looking for social security number, and we have tons of built-in classifiers that you can use, but you can also use your own. Severity in action, I want it to set as high, and then audit only for now. Once that is done, the second piece to perform the scan is to just create the task. Okay, so you need two things, the policy and then the task. So let's create the task. Let's go to discovery policies, and then I'll go to perform a cloud discovery scan. There you go. It might take a second or two because right now, this manager, what it's doing is trying to access the DLP CA cloud instance. So all of this stuff is, uh, uh, accessing or happening in the background. It's trying to access the, if I go to the canvas here, so this FSM is going through the internet, calling out the DLP CA, okay, to get it ready for to scan, and that's what's happening here, okay? All right, here we go. All right, so all you have to do is really easy. New. And also on the box sample that we have, I actually uploaded a sample Excel file that has social security number. So all we have to do here is set up the name and the description. This is a box discovery, box cloud discovery scan looking for SSN. And then you just select, okay? You can select the cloud application name, okay? And then you just click box go for labs, and then the policy, I can do all. I mean, if you have multiple policies that you're looking for, credit card information, specific to your organization or you're looking for, you can choose them here. But I only have one, so I'm just gonna do, okay, let's do this. Select it, there you go. And then make sure the enable scan is active. And then click OK. And now what's happening is in the FSM, it's building that task, okay? It's lining up, aligning all of the policies, aligning all the resources, aligning the policies that we are cross-referencing to for our DLP CA, perform the scan task to the box and what policies is going to be looking for, okay? So let's give it a couple more seconds. I'm sure it's just trying to get all of that set up and it should be done here. It also may be my connection too. That's one of the things that we have to deal with when accessing all the cloud instance. So, okay. There you go, it created a task and all we have to do now is just deploy. So after you hit deploy, it will push it out to all of the components. And then we are more particular or interested in the DLP Cloud Service. So after this is deployed, it will start scanning. And I'm gonna pause the video. Okay, success, perfect. That's what I wanted to see. So it will perform a scan. I'm gonna pause the video and resume and show you the results. Okay, guys, so let us look at the reports, discovery, incidents. So I just went to look at the incidents. I just went to reporting, discovery, and incidents. So there you go. I see one incident there. So you have, you know, as you can see here, on the this is the incident page. The top area is the summary of all the incidents that were generated from the scan. And we have our discovery policy triggered, okay? It saw there were 30 social security number that were found on that file that I actually that we have on the box. And you can see here that we can show you who owns the file, email address, all of this good information. And if we are connected to your Active Directory, we can enrich the data that we can present to your analyst. But at least we can. The goal is to identify if there are any sensitive data in the cloud, and also what file is that. Okay, so this is critical, and we achieved our ultimate business outcome, and that is to find sensitive data in cloud. So to wrap up, this is pretty simple. You have a manager, you have a cloud, we have a think about the DLP cloud apps as a crawler in the cloud, or a scanner in the cloud. That's what it is. And it's getting orders from the FSM, getting policies from the FSM, and then getting instructions on where to scan. And then you establish the trust between that cloud scanner, to your box account, and it will have the ability to scan that box instance against the policy you create, generate some incidents, and you can from there, let's see if we can generate some reports here. And let's talk about the catalog, the out-of-the-box catalog reporting that we have. So we have out-of-the-box reporting here. And let's see, hosts. Okay, let's try this one and run it. You can customize these to however you want. Let's see. Oh. It did not generate a report there. Discovery dashboard. Let's do that. Okay, there you go. So, and then you can export this to a PDF. Let's export that to PDF and see what it looks like. All right, there you go. And then you can actually put your own logo here as well. And you have your executive report. The reports here can be customized. If I do a manage report, you can edit the filter, and you can add, remove fields that you want. You can also automate this to be emailed to a group distribution list, or just chosen managers, executives, etc. So you can have those configured within the FSM, which is this. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. And if you are interested to dive more in details or in technical, feel free to reach out to me, or directly to my direct to us, our company contact information. Either way, we are here to help you, and we would like to partner with you with your effort for your data protection initiative. That is all I have. And again, this is Jeremiah, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.